I'm going to show you how to make discipline so fun that inconsistency becomes hard. A lot of us see a disciplined life as boring or daunting, but that's the wrong perspective. Fun isn't easy. Easy is boring. Without challenge, achievement, or progression, what's left? So what does discipline actually mean? It doesn't mean a strict 5 a.m. routine, ice baths, or living like David Goggins. It just means prioritizing yourself and doing things that make you better each day. I focus on 6: pray, meditate, read, work out, drink a gallon of water, and work on my craft. For me, that's content creation. However that looks for you, that's a disciplined life. These things get you closer to your full potential in mind, body, and spirit. You won't perform at your best every day, and that's unrealistic to expect. But if you put your best foot forward, you can achieve whatever you want. Discipline is a choice you can make anytime. It's the vehicle that takes you from where you are to where you want to be. Will you ever reach that destination? No. And that's the point. The process is what gives life meaning. A trophy means nothing if it's handed to you. It's the blood, sweat, and hours that make it valuable. The same applies to life. I'm not perfect. I struggle like you do. But this beautifully treacherous journey, with its peaks, setbacks, and growth, is worth it. You climb, you look back at how far you've come, and that's enough to keep going.